What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on connection and sharing. Now on top you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on your personal hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new internet package. After that, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone, and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos, any personal document. After reset all your settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.